Clients always want to know, can you Photoshop that? Photoshop is a great tool. It's very robust and capable of a lot. In my 10 years of being a photographer, I have learned a lot about Photoshop, but it's not a magic wand. It's not a one-touch, fix-it type of a tool. When I talk about a retouched image, I mean I take an image and I bring a little polish to it. You're not gonna look like a Barbie doll. I take care of stray hairs and lint and blemishes such as acne or bruises or scratches or discoloration. Really, it's to soften and polish your image and make you look the very best you can. Photoshop is an amazing tool, but it can only go so far. It's important to be prepped and camera ready when you arrive at your portrait session. Having your clothes wrinkle-free and your hair and makeup ready to go makes you a lot more set up for success. So before you ask, can you Photoshop that? Just have faith that I am gonna make you look the best you possibly can with a polished, amazing portrait.